Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside air drill model PDBS 1800A1. Rotation speed is max 1800 RPM, max working pressure is 6.8 bar, chuck is up to 10 millimeters, lever for a right and left rotation, accessories included inside, includes 70 pieces drill bit and bit set, 3 years warranty. Compact with a robust aluminum housing and rubberized handle. Nice, let's check what we have inside. Nice durable case. Move on and work with this tool and protect it very well. We've got an oil for lubrication. The manual, of course, if you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this tool. Now here we've got some bits in a nice lovely case. And you can see there is a hole. You can take it out. Take the other out. Rotate it. This is extension bit. And another 6 bits. Nice. We've got one wrench. We've got 10 drilling bits from 1.5 millimeters to 6 millimeters. And there's the tool. You can see left and right, the trigger, the air connection, the chuck goes to 1.5 to 10 millimeters, and you can lock it with this wrench. Let's take the 6 millimeter. You can lock it. It feels very heavy, not any cheap tool. Nice. Connect it to your air compressor, and again you need a 50 liters air compressor. You can buy it for 135 euros from Lidl, same brand, Parkside, and I'm sure it will do the job. And again you can fit a max 10 millimeters of drilling bit, and you can use other drilling bits for a wood, maybe for a soft bricks, not for a concrete. You can use other bits for screw. Take the extension. A bit, and you're good to go for screwing. Maybe some furniture, maybe some DIY project that you've got in your mind. I'm sure you're gonna find out the right use of this tool. Nice tool for those they like more the air tools. It costs about 20 euros. And if you need something like that to buy it, you need to have an air compressor. It costs about 135 euros, same brand, Parkside. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Unfortunately, I don't have any air compressor. In the future, I will test it. I'm sure it will do a great job. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know when we need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.